Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make 3 popular Gujarati snacks in a mug within few minutes. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. First let's make mug handvo. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1/4 cup onion, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 cup semolina, 1 tablespoon ginger, salt as required, 1 teaspoon Eno, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili, 1 tablespoon curd, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida and 1/4 cup of carrots. For the batter, let's add semolina, that is suji, curd, turmeric, that is haldi powder, salt, mix it once, then add the green chilies, ginger, onion, carrots and coriander leaves. Mix it up nicely. Traditionally, the handvo batter needs fermentation, but this is a quick version. Now add 2 tablespoon water and mix it again. For tempering, that is tadka, add 1 tablespoon oil, microwave it for 30 seconds. To that, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, that is hing, and sesame seeds. Mix it and microwave it again for 30 seconds. Add this tempering to the batter. Mix it up. Then add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt, that is Eno, and mix it all together. Transfer the batter into a greased microwave safe mug. Drizzle some oil over it and sprinkle sesame seeds. Microwave it for 3 minutes. Let it cool down for a minute and then you can either remove it out of the mug or enjoy this quick and delicious instant handvo in the mug itself. Now let's make mug dhokla. The ingredients are 2 teaspoon powdered sugar, 2 tablespoon coriander, salt as required, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half cup of curd, 2 teaspoon Eno, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 7 to 8 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger chili paste and 1 cup besan. For the batter, add gram flour, that is besan, turmeric, asafoetida, that is hing, salt and whisk it once. Then add curd, ginger and chili paste, powdered sugar, you can actually use any regular sugar, then oil. Whisk everything. To that, add 1/4 cup of water and whisk until you have a smooth batter. Then add 1 sachet of fruit salt, that is Eno. Add just 1 teaspoon of water to activate the Eno. Mix it nicely. I've taken a microwave safe mug and I'm going to grease the entire mug with oil. Then pour the batter till 3/4 of the mug. Tap it a bit to release the air and microwave it for 3 minutes. If you don't have a microwave, you can make any mug recipe in your regular pan. Pour the remaining batter. Fill the pan with half cup of water or up to the cooker stand is 3/4 submerged in it. If you don't have a cooker stand, you can just place any plate upside down. Cover and preheat for 5 minutes. Then place the mug on the stand. Cover it again and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Let it cool down for a minute. By that time, let's make the tadka. In the tadka pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves, green chilies, haldi powder. Mix it once. And finally, add 1 tablespoon water and be careful while doing this. Turn off the flame. This is how spongy the dhokla has come out. Add the tempering over the dhokla. The water from the tadka will keep the dhokla soft and moist. And enjoy this yummy mug dhokla. Let's move on to making mug muthia now. The ingredients are half cup wheat flour, half teaspoon ENO, 1/4 cup curd, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, half cup grated bottle gourd, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 cup besan, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, 7 to 8 curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and salt as required. For the batter, add wheat flour, besan, curd, salt, green chili, sugar, ginger, coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric. Mix it and then add bottle gourd, that is lauki. Mix it again. Then add lemon juice and mix it. For this you don't need to add any water because the bottle gourd will release some moisture. Then add ENO. To activate it, add half teaspoon water. Then transfer it into a greased mug. Usually you steam the muthia and then fry it. So place a small microwave safe plate over the mug and leave just a small space. Then remove the plate and microwave it again. Remove it from the mug. You can see it comes off very easily and it has turned out spongy as well. For tempering, add 1 tablespoon oil, mustard seeds, hing, sesame seeds and curry leaves. Microwave it for a minute. Then add the tadka on the muthia. I have shown 3 types of quick temperings as well. You can use whichever is convenient for you. Enjoy these amazing Gujarati snacks and let us know how they were in the comment section below. Also, 89% of you watching the video haven't subscribed. So go and subscribe to our channel right now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.